Lists and strings. Lists and strings are somewhat similar, since they are both a sequence of things. Strings are sequences of characters, but lists can be a sequence of anything. The key idea is that both strings and lists are sequences, which means you can iterate over them with a for loop. When you iterate over a list, you get each element. When you iterate over a string, you get each character. Often, instead of processing a list character by character, we want to process it word by word, or by some other chunking of characters. To make this easy, strings have a method named split. Split is an awesome method because it is easy to use. When you call the method without arguments, a list of strings is returned from the string. As you can see below, after we have split a string, it is easy to loop over each word. In this example, we separate each author to print them individually. If you do not pass anything to split, then it splits on any kind of whitespace, spaces, tabs, new lines. Sometimes we want to split on other characters. You can pass a string as an argument to split on a different character. In this example, we split on a comma at symbol and the string NaN. Just to summarize briefly, there are three major ways to iterate over a string. Without the split method, you iterate by character. With a parameter in the split method, you iterate by splitting the string on the parameter. And without a parameter in the split method, you iterate by splitting the string on whitespace. Here is a useful pattern. You take a string, separated by a specific character from the user, split the elements on that character, and process each component in turn. Notice how we can use this to process a string of numbers separated with commas by converting them using the int function. Study each statement of this pattern carefully, and make sure you understand it.